In this video, I will show you how to connect Apple Music to your TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to listen to Apple Music from your phone to your TV. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that both your mobile phone and your TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you come over to my mobile phone over here, you will find out that my mobile phone is actually connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which I am actually using as my Wi-Fi over here. And if you come over to my smart TV, actually this is an Android smart TV, but it will work for any smart TV you have. So on your smart TV, you want to make sure that it is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi as your mobile phone. You can literally see that over here, my smart TV is actually connected to iPhone 13 Sam over here as well. Now, once you're sure about that, you want to go ahead and turn on the Apple AirPlay of your TV. Now, most smart TV these days actually come with Apple AirPlay, but if your TV does not have Apple AirPlay, like an Android TV over here, what you just want to do is to go over to the App Store of your TV, and on the top search bar, you want to go ahead and search for AirDrop Cast TV. So just go ahead and search for AirDrop Cast TV, and basically this is the app over here. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and open it up on your TV. And finally, once you've gotten to this page, and for those that actually has the Apple AirPlay turned on the Apple AirPlay on your TV, what you just want to do is to come over to your mobile phone now, and then you want to go ahead and launch the Apple Music app just like so. And now, once you're playing any song on your Apple Music just like so, you want to go ahead and click on the cast button over here. In iOS devices, you're going to see it as the AirPlay icon. So just go ahead and click on this particular icon. It's usually in the middle, and automatically your phone should be able to find all of the devices you can actually cast your Apple Music to. So what you just want to do is to go ahead and select your TV on the list of devices over here. In my case, I'll just select this one over here just like so, and it's just going to take a minute or two, and your Apple Music will be connected to your TV. And finally, I can now listen to Apple Music from my phone to the TV. That'll be all on how to connect Apple Music to TV and listen to Apple Music from your phone to the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.